This is our reality. The entire village buried the waste in the ocean sand. There is no waste management plan or removal by the municipality. There are no vegetables growing, so wrapped meat and plastic food is much cheaper and really the only option. We clean up the surface of the beaches in the summer for tourists, but it is only a cover-up. Underneath, the sand is filled with enormous amount of waste buried over the years. When rainy season comes, waste from nearby neighborhood flow back from the river and waste is just thrown around. We try as much to clean the beach, but like most, we dig deep and just bury the garbage back in the sand. There are many places in the Philippines with waste management programs. Unfortunately, there are still areas like my place, a small community that had been pushed aside, and we lack support. The people on the island are not well educated about proper waste management. Our prayer is that the beach will always be clean for the community's well-being, for the sea animals, and basically, for the biosystems not to collapse when the beach simply cannot keep years of human waste and toxic life habits. Community eco-theology training to empower the community to understand both ecological and spiritual concerns and commitment that each must practice. Write a simple, cost-effective waste management plan and enforce it. Remind the community and municipality how people in tropical places can grow plants for food. Villages like ours hope to have treatment systems, recycling tools, and other resources to support us in keeping our environment clean and healthy. God gave us the gift of nature. One day, the Lord will ask us how we kept it, and I hope we can make Him smile with our answer.